major changes are underway in the Indian cricket team's support staff. In a move that has caught many by surprise, the BCCI has decided to part ways with assistant coach Abhishek Nair, just 8 months into his tenure. Assistant coach Abhishek Nair has been relieved of his duties amid reports of internal rifts and India's recent struggles in test matches. According to BCCI sources, Abhishek Nair's removal may be more than just a performance issue. It may also be the fallout of a tough war within the team's high-profile support staff. A source within the BCCI told PTI, while India's recent test debacles against New Zealand and Australia has led to churning, but there is also a feeling in the BCCI that Nair became a scapegoat in the tough war between an important member of the support staff and a senior star player. Abhishek Nair isn't the only one on his way out. Fielding coach T. Dilip and strength and conditioning coach Soham Desai are also expected to step down after more than 3 years in their respective roles. This comes as part of the BCCI's new standard operating procedure that caps support staff tenures at 3 years. In a throwback move, former strength and conditioning coach Adrian is reportedly being considered for a second stint. The South African was widely credited with transforming India's fitness culture during the 2003 World Cup under Sourav Ganguly's leadership. When contacted, BCCI secretary chose not to confirm the changes, saying, "Certain things are being finalized. You will receive a press note from BCCI in some days." Reports suggest that Nair's position had been under scrutiny since Sitanshu Kotak was added as an additional batting coach. Sources indicate that during a post-Australia tour review meeting attended by senior BCCI officials and selectors, serious concerns were raised. Just after the tour of Australia, there was a review meeting conducted by the BCCI. The top officials of the board, including Secretary and Vice President Rajiv Shukla, were present along with important members associated with the Indian team and the national selectors, the BCCI source added. One BCCI insider revealed on the sidelines of the meeting, a powerful member of the support staff expressed his apprehensions about Nair's presence and said how him being in the dressing room is proving to be counterproductive. While the BCCI didn't act immediately, but they brought in Kotak, the former Saurashtra run accumulator. It was a way of sidelining Nair during the Champions Trophy, the source added. Interestingly, sources also claim that Nair was not head coach Gautam Gambhir's first choice for the assistant's role. His appointment was reportedly meant to serve as a bridge between Gambhir and the Indian skipper Rohit Sharma, a close friend and former Mumbai teammate. Nair and Dilip have been the Indian skipper's most trusted lieutenants, and it is not known whether Rohit was kept in the loop by the BCCI officials about these decisions. As the BCCI prepares for an overhaul of the support staff, the cricketing community awaits further announcements. Stay tuned for more updates. Until then, keep watching Cricket Next for more cricket updates.